चलिए अभी मैं आपको एक बार शॉर्ट रिवीजन करवा के उसी के आगे हम लूपिंग करेंगे. सो वी हैव डिजाइन्ड अ कैलकुलेटर इन विच वी हैव यूज्ड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ addition and subtraction. So calculator mein we only have two numbers. We have taken two numbers and then we got the sum, and similarly we got the difference. Sum and difference we have done it for both. So हमने sum भी किया और difference भी किया. अब प्रणव उसमें प्रॉब्लम ये थी, हमारे इनिशियल प्रोसेस में प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि वी हैव डन इट बट विद द सेम सेट ऑफ नंबर. ठीक है, सम एंड डिफरेंस तो किया मगर हमने उसमें नंबर इनपुट्स कैसे लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैंने इनपुट्स ऐसे लिए 4,5 या फिर 4,3. ठीक है, तो मैंने इसी दो नंबर का सम दिया. what was the sum? 4,3 equal to
7.
Yes, and what is the difference?
1.
हाँ, so the answer was 7 and 1. ये अभी तक मैंने प्रणव अभी तक आपको ये करना सिखा दिया. तो आपने कैलकुलेटर तो डिजाइन किया मगर अभी यूजर को सम और डिफरेंस के लिए ही ये कैलकुलेटर यूज करना पड़ेगा. अगर किसी यूजर को केवल सम फाइंड करना है, केवल डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है, तो माय कैलकुलेटर विल नॉट वर्क. So now my second point is I will be designing a calculator by asking the user. So now let us make it user friendly again. और user friendly बनाएंगे हम. जितनी चीजों को अपने user friendly बनाएंगे, the more and more people will buy our product. So in that case, we will ask the user whether you want addition or you want subtraction. What you want? If the user will tell me that he wants addition, then I will show him the summation, and if he will ask me that he wants the subtraction, then I will show the difference. अंतर पता चला प्रणव? what is the difference between the last program and today's program?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी तक जो हम कर रहे हैं प्रणव, उसी में extension is now we will make it more user friendly. So if this is clear, so let us proceed towards the designing of and understanding the concept of conditional statement. Using conditional statement, Pranav, I will be using the second concept. So looping is the repetition of a group of statements until the certain condition is specified. जब तक वो condition आपकी finish नहीं होगी, जब तक वो condition satisfy नहीं होगी, till then the repetition will go on and on and on. Is that clear? Pranav, we'll solve it with one and a few examples also, then you will be able to understand the fact more. So for example, we have written some of the statements, Pranav. If a statement you have written while statement, you have written do while statement. One of the very important statement is for loop. ये भी लिख लीजिए Pranav. Write down these are some of the statements that we are going to study. Switch, conditional, and go to statement. We have okay. You have already written if statement, while statement, do while statement. These three already written. Rest of the statements you can write.
Statement. What is an if else?
If else statement is also there. You write down because they have not written, because that is a part of if statement. Isliye they are not writing it down separately, but you have to write down each these extra statements as well. Switch, conditional, go to, and for loop also.
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
Yes. प्रणव, it is left to be written. अभी लिखा नहीं ना प्रणव आपने? रुको प्रणव, आपने लिखा नहीं है ना? हाँ ये उड़ गया था. चलिए अभी आप लिखिए.
Ma'am, not coming. Yes, ma'am, now okay.
हाँ, और प्रणव इसके बाद है ना हम लोग वी विल डू वन मोर थिंग. हम आपका ना वेबसाइट बनाऊंगी मैं. आपका वेबसाइट डेवलप करवाऊंगी, ठीक है। इस महीने के बाद हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, जब आपको सी पूरा आ जाएगा ना तो उसके बाद हम वेबसाइट डिजाइन करेंगे। प्रणव प्रणव की वेबसाइट है ना, प्रणव वेबसाइट, वेबसाइट में क्या डालोगे प्रणव, क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन डालोगे?
यस मैम।
आपकी वेबसाइट होगी तो आप अपने वेबसाइट में क्या क्या डालना पसंद करोगे? हाँ प्रणव, हो गया आपका?
यस मैम।
ओके
नो
डन।
नो मैम, मैम 1 minute जस्ट रीड इट मैम।
अच्छा, यू वांट वन मोर टाइम? लिखा लिखा कि लिखना बाकी है अभी?
मैम, if else is not the then also there are 7. Here
हाँ,
only 7 is
ओके
that
ओके,
with if else.
चेक इट।
If statement, if else statement, conditional operator, while and while, photo statement,
कोई नहीं है, सब में रिवीजन है। Revision maths, science, dear parent, from the chapter safety first, oral revision, revision of संज्ञा। सेफ्टी फर्स्ट से कहाँ रिवीजन कराया उन्होंने, तो लिविंग का करवाया। अच्छा,
ma'am done.
ओके प्रणव, सो दीज आर द बिगिनिंग ऑफ लूप। अब चलो, वी विल बी प्रोसीडिंग वन बाय वन। अभी देखिए प्रणव, ये वाला अच्छे से समझ लेना, अगर आपने ये समझ लिया तो यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग द मेन एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक ऑफ सी लैंग्वेज। अब आप ये समझो।
I want to click photo.
हाँ, you can click photo, you can click photo, and if you want Pranav, हाँ, you can click photo, take the photograph.
Ma'am, that's my.
So basically Pranav, what we are doing, this is the syntax of if statement, where we are testing a condition. If the condition is true, we are coming to statement block, and if the condition is false, we are coming to statement X. And in both the cases, whether it is true and false, it is going to statement X, as you can see, है ना? X पे तो जा ही रहा है, whether it is correct or whether it is wrong. In both the cases, it is coming to statement X, and then it is going to next statement. Is it clear now? As from the flow chart, we have seen this condition and checked and understood the syntax of if statement.
Ma'am, just.
And Acha, let me show you.
No, ma'am, in this.
In this, it is next statement. Pranav, next statement.
After statement X, next
Yes.
statement will only come.
Always next statement. So now let us understand the difference between if else and if statement and if else statement. So Pranav, the difference is we will test the condition. If it is true, it will go to the statement block 1, that is true block, यहाँ पे T लिख सकते हैं, and statement block F, that is false block. तो या तो वो true में जाएगा और false में जाएगा, and after executing these two condition, checking for these two condition, it will come to statement X, and then finally it will go to the next statement. So this is the flow chart of
So what
if.
is next statement? Once again tell no.
Yes, wait, you can write down this flow chart and then can write this syntax.
Ma'am, no ma'am. What is this next statement? Ma'am, again tell no. Ma'am.
Yes, Pranav. Next statement is the statement which is just after the two conditional statements. X and Y, block true, and block Y, they, हाँ.
Do while
So,
means exiting controls and while means entering controls.
yes, while and do while ka, the main difference is in while statement, we will check the condition first and then we will write the statement. In do while, we will execute the statement first and then we will check the condition. That is the only difference between while and do while. First, we will check the
Ma'am, what
statement.
is better, while or do while?
Based on your application, it will be used. So we cannot say that which one is better, but yes, based on our different application, we will be using while and do while. If we have some application where we want to execute the expression first, then we will use do while. If we want to test the
Ma'am, what do
condition
you
first,
mean by execution?
executions मतलब प्रणव कि हमें execute करना आपको उसको. So for loop is essential and it's an entry control loop. And why it is important? Because initialization, testing of the condition and increment of the values are all done in a single line. As you can see here, this is the syntax of for loop, and then only the body of the loop will be executed, and this is most widely used loop in C language. This is the most commonly used loop. Okay.
After this, I will draw with my mother.
Okay, no problem. So I will tell you the flow of for loop. So first of all, initialization is done. When initialization is done, we will test the condition, and when the condition is correct, if the condition is correct, it will execute the body of the loop, and once the body of the loop is executed, it will increment the counter. It will increment the counter until the condition is reached. जब तक प्रणव condition is not achieved, तब तक वो increment करता रहेगा, and it will keep on checking test condition, and it will keep on moving in this chakra view. Understood now? This loop will keep on going until and unless the test condition is not satisfied. Understood? So कब तक चलेगा ये टेस्ट कंडीशन? तब तक चलेगा
हमारे तो पट्टी में